I am once again in the forest to look for the red fox. I don't know if you have seen it yet, but I will include it now. The fox, it's up there. Last time I was here, on my way out I saw the fox. It was laying in the snow, probably hunting. It must have been very hungry because it was about 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and that's not the time where they usually are out. But this time I am out early to look for it. I will, in a minute, when I have gotten all my gear out, I will go over to the place where I saw it, and hopefully it will be in that area. So I think I will do that now, and I will keep you guys updated. And I also hope that you can hear me with the little mic. It's a little windy today, and I think it said that it was -5 degrees, and it was something like feeling -11. So it's pretty cold today. But for a fox with a big furry coat, that should not be any problem. So I will head over there now, and I will try to film if I see anything. Yeah, let's go. So I am now on the opposite side of where I saw the fox last time, and I have seen some tracks, but they are not very fresh. I still hope it could be around this area. So what I will do is maybe to go find a place to lay low and wait, and hopefully the fox will come. I don't think it will, but you never know. I might be lucky. But yeah, I will go look and wait to see if the fox comes. I gave up on the spot where I was before. I'm now sitting under some pine trees, sheltering from the wind, and in a minute or two I will move on to look for the Roe Deer. Hopefully we will see them, and maybe even if we are more lucky than last time, we can actually get a better position and look at the Roe Deer for a longer period of time. But yeah, I am just sitting here, taking a break, enjoying the sun. It's amazing. I really enjoy to be out in nature, and just experiencing how nature is just amazing. So I think that I will sit here and enjoy my little break and have a cup of coffee. I wasn't prepared for that. I hope it comes out a little further this way so I can get a picture. I didn't expect that at all. Unfortunately, the Roe Deer ran away. I don't think they will come back. They ran further in and there's no way I can follow them without making a ton of noise. So what I think I will do is to continue and hope that there will be some Roe Deer over there. But I didn't expect them to come out. I had seen the tracks and stuff, but I didn't expect them to be right there. And you guys saw them, and that's amazing. I had hoped for a chance to photograph, but yeah, that's okay. I am just happy that the little camera could film it. Yeah, so I think I will move further on and hopefully there will be some Roe Deer there. There's a woodpecker. It's right there. Have a look. The woodpecker was all the way in the top of the tree, so the pictures are from down below and up, so they are not the best, but I still like them. Yeah, I hope you do too. But let's get going and try to see if we can get a photo of the Roe Deer. So, I just spotted the deer in here. I'm inside the forest. The more, like, there's so many trees in here and branches. I don't know where it went, but I think I will stay quiet here for a couple of minutes and hope that I can I just saw the fox. It went the other way. I will definitely try to get a picture of it. There's no time for vlogging. The way the fox went, I have no way of going there. So I will just hope it turns around and comes this way. I love the fox. I just wish for a picture of it with its winter coat. That would be amazing. And my face is so cold, so it's hard to speak. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and watch with the binoculars and hope that I can spot the fox again and then get a picture. I only saw the fox for maybe 2 seconds 2 times, and the second time it just like sprinted. I don't know why, because it didn't see me, I didn't take any pictures or anything, but it maybe had found some food. Yeah, I will wait and update you guys later. So now I am out of the forest on my way home, and I thought that I would just quickly run through what happened before. I nearly don't have any space left on my SD card for the little camera, so I'm gonna do this pretty quickly. After the fox, I went on a path to come to where I am now, and on that path there was a few roe deer. I sat down with the camera and I tried to take pictures, and there was a lot of branches between me and the roe deer, so I couldn't autofocus, so I had to manual focus, and that didn't went too well, but I managed to get some pictures. But I wanted to take a picture of the one closest to me, but then some girls and 2 horses came and scared them off. But after that, the roe deer actually came back, and then after some time a male came, and I didn't get a picture of him, but that will be another time. So yeah, I will head home now, and I hope you liked this video. Remember to like if you did, and subscribe for more, and yeah, comment if you have any feedback. I will see you next time. Bye.